Hello and welcome to Akureyri, the capital of North Iceland. This is where we find Iceland's best ski resort and the world's largest ski jump platform, but only for a while though, since it's made from snow. So I'm using the opportunity to show you this thing, since it will only be with us for a few more days or weeks. But first let's see where we are. The Arctic Circle is only 80 kilometers away, and if it wasn't for this deep fjord, the climate in the town Akureyri would not be as suitable as it is. And calm weather is one of the reasons why this location was picked, because we will be looking at an attempt to break the world record in a few days, the longest ski jump in the world. And we can even see this new ski jump platform from downtown. And as you get closer, we see how enormous this thing is. I noticed this project by chance on March 16th when I flew over the top of the mountain to make a sightseeing video. And I noticed those ski cats there pushing snow down from the mountain. The local people are a bit strange, so I didn't think too much about it. But I found out later that this is a Red Bull project. They made a deal with the town to use the mountain. So this got me interested, and I got back up there on April 10th. And this is the in-run platform, starting at an elevation of 1,000 meters. And the elevation drop down to the jump spot is around 88 meters, according to the GPS in my drone. There are no official information available right now, so far. But from the side we see how steep this is. And the landing hill, it is even more impressive, and it might be the main reason for this location. This is a natural slope that didn't need much work. But most importantly, it offers some protection if something goes wrong, and the elevation drop from the jump site to the end of the landing strip is around 320 meters, or plenty of room to set a world record, or at least to go flying with the local ravens if there will be some gusts of wind during the attempt. So the townspeople are very excited about this. They've been looking at this thing up in the mountain for the last 2 months now, and they are very proud of this mountain. It is by far the best ski resort in Iceland. They have 8 ski lifts in total. The latest addition is this new chairlift, making it possible to enjoy this fantastic view, and there are numerous ski paths, jumping paths and cross-country paths there, except for large ski jumping platforms. There is only one such in Iceland, in a small village by the north coast. So ski jumping is not a sport that we do on professional level here in Iceland, but it is very popular to go skiing, and they've done a very good job with this place. It's a big part of the winter tourism, and I see this Red Bull thing as a very good chance for them to get some free promotion for the place. So the country people are now getting ready for perhaps the biggest event ever in Iceland when it comes to winter sports. And I was trying to get some information about when this would take place, but that turned out to be very hard. This is all up to weather, of course, and there is still some work to be done there, obviously. They need to fine-tune everything. And my guess is that it will be Red Bull staff that will be responsible for the final preparation. And when I was filming there today, there was a snow cat up there, so this gig seems to be on. There was always this possibility that they would have to call this off. And I've been looking up to the mountain every morning to see if anything is changing. And it's one of the reasons why I didn't take off to do my scheduled volcano tour to the Reykjanes Peninsula. But I can't be waiting for this forever, so I don't know if I will be around when this event takes place. But if so, I will of course make another video. But as for the trips that I've been doing so far up there, I captured many good shots that I didn't have room for in this video. So the plan is to make one of my slow-paced music videos, show you how beautiful the winter can be. And this mountain is a part of the Tröllaskagi Peninsula, or Troll Peninsula, and it can be absolutely gorgeous during winters, and summers as well, of course. So it's more to come from this landscape, and with that, I'm sending you best regards from the volcano island, Iceland.